Hey, good morning, guys. Today we're here at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're gonna ride some rides. According to our herd, Serengeti Flyer is rumored to be reopened today and has been closed for a couple months. And I heard Falcon Fury is running when I was actually driving up here. And Gwazi was down all day yesterday, so we're gonna see what type of day we could have. And we're gonna talk about like what's new going on in Busch Gardens. I'll see you after I get inside the park. All right, we made it inside the park. Now I'm gonna head to my favorite coaster here. That is on Gwazi. It's my number one coaster in the world currently. Number two is the one that's in Islands of Adventure, Velocicoaster. That's my number two coaster, but we're gonna head to my number one coaster right now on Gwazi. For those that don't know, Gwazi is actually out to a little bit slower during the daytime. It takes a little long to warm up, and I never really got a ride this early before, so I just wanna see what it's like this early. And I don't have any backstraps for my Ray-Bans Meta, so I'm gonna be putting that in a locker in my case I have for to charge it while I'm in there. It looks like it's open, unlike yesterday. And today's the first day of Christmas Town. I'll be making a separate video about that shortly. So I just want to ride some couple rides before we do that video. So Gwazi is posted at 35-minute wait, so we're just gonna hop right on that right now. Yes, yes. Come on. Hey guys, that ride in Gwazi was just absolutely amazing. Well, that's my favorite coaster in general. It makes Velocicoaster look weak, and Velocicoaster's not weak. It's pretty intense, that coaster, but I enjoy Velocicoaster, but this is a lot better Velocicoaster in my opinion. I can't wait to go see the point, see if I can get someone to beat this for my number one coaster. But Christmas Town is open today, like I said earlier in the video, but I want to go check out Serengeti Flyer because when I was in the queue for Gwazi, I saw it kind of running, so I want to check that out, see if it actually is running. So I took the long way over to the Serengeti Flyers, and I'm actually now in Jungla where they actually announced the expansion they're doing here. So in this section of the park, they're actually going to be adding a Wild Oasis, it's called the name of the land. That's going to be like a Wild Surge, I think the name of the drop tower. You can see the drop tower actually over there. And they're gonna redo this whole children play area. Hopefully my voice is going louder than the music, so I don't want to get copyrighted from the Christmas music, but it should be able to just be a drop tower and a children play area. And they're gonna have like wild Arctic like animals in here, according to what I'm hearing. But now I'm gonna head to Serengeti Flyer. So I made my way into Pantopia. I think I'm gonna hit Falcon Fury, since why not, since I'm here already. I'm gonna use the GoPro to record that POV instead of the Insta360 X4, just so I can give you guys a true POV of it. And I'm probably right around my chest now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So I'm not sure if Falcon's Fury running because the station is empty, but I have my GoPro ready to go, as you can see. And the roller coaster next to the right of me is standing but not operating. But I think it's open, Falcon's Fury, just people are just too scared to ride it. But I had it on it right now. So Falcon Fury is actually down and it just reopened just now. So I guess I'll hop on that right now. That ride with Falcon's Fury was freaking amazing. And I love Falcon's Fury to begin with. It's actually my favorite drop tower in the whole world. And I've been on multiple drop towers, but it definitely is my favorite. Now we're actually heading the right way to go to the Serengeti Flyers, and I saw people got off the ride when I was on Falcon's Fury, so we're definitely heading there for a ride on the first day that's back open. So I could confirm Serengeti Flyers is open because this pathway was actually closed last time I came here for Hollow Scream when they were doing some refurbishment work. So officially opened earlier than they thought because it's always going to be open in May. And the music's so loud here, so I'm trying to speak so loud so the music will just head out. But I'm heading on Serengeti Flyer. I don't care how long the wait is. I'm just heading on Serengeti Flyer. It's been a minute. And it's only a 5-minute wait. So we're definitely going on Serengeti Flyer. So this is first. Both sides of Serengeti Flyers are actually operating. I'm recording this on my iPhone because I just feel like I have my camera out of my bag. Both sides are actually operating. So you get dueling with each other, so that's good. Serengeti Flyers is actually fun as normal. I'm so glad that it's back open. I love that ride. The SNS Screaming Swimming are like one of the best slab rides you could get in the park right now, in my opinion. I absolutely adore that ride, and I don't want to go anywhere for that long yet. But now I'm going to switch away from my GoPro since it's only at a 30% battery, and I feel like just showing you guys the other ride than it's the 360 Exploring more. So Cheetah Hunt's close to a 45-minute wait. I'm going to use one time quick cube just to ride it. And after that, that's going to actually be the end of this video. That's actually gonna do it from this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like more theme park content, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and comment what's your favorite theme park in the Central Florida area. Mine is Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, but please comment what's your favorite. See you in the next video, bye.